Ani Joe Ogamana Kardishnikas, Sagin Dojaba, providing you with a community update for Friday, June the 25th. Our community is proposing a shutdown for the weekend. We've had some issues with new cases of COVID-19. Unfortunately, we are currently looking at 13 confirmed cases as of today. So we're asking for a voluntary stay-at-home order for all members until next week, as we can provide a new update. All the banned buildings and businesses will be closed until further notice to reduce the COVID-19 cases. We are monitoring the situation daily and are waiting for the results from the health center. Senior staff will keep members updated. We have a COVID-19 committee that's working on that through the health committee. Living in a small community, we're aware that this can spread quite quickly, so we're asking that everyone not to panic, but to stay at home and observe all of the guidelines that the provincial health protocol is asking for, such as washing your hands frequently, making sure that you wear a mask in public, even if you have been vaccinated, such as I have. Continue to wear a mask when you're in public. But I would suggest that we do our best to stay at home to limit the contact for at least the weekend, and I think we could probably get ahead of this this outbreak, which is a variant, as I would suggest, because some people that have been vaccinated are feeling ill. But again, if we can maintain social distancing, self-isolation where possible, I know some families have voluntarily self-isolated, and that will be very helpful. The OPP will be doing some patrols, but will be reluctant to lay any charges at this point. Unfortunately, some people aren't taking this seriously, and to those, I would encourage you to wear a mask if you have to be in public, and maintain your social distancing of 6 feet, and then limit your interaction with others. That's how the virus is spread. So if we could do that for the weekend and see where we land on Monday's council meeting will be held virtually. There'll be a Zoom link for that on Monday. Again, this puts us in an awkward situation, whereas the rest of the province is slowly reopening, and most of our people have been vaccinated. So with those that haven't been vaccinated, those are the ones that have been contracting the variant. The OW office will stay open for lease signing, and garbage pickup will still continue, and CAMCOM will continue to do their services as well. And a big shout out to the security company for helping us with the self-isolation issues, especially with the cottagers. And to the cottagers, if you could, stay at home as much as possible for this weekend. Again, limit your interaction in the community as we want to close for the weekend. And we're voluntarily asking those businesses to close their doors if they can. If not, follow the provincial health guidelines. And that's washing your hands, face covering, and social distancing. So for any further information, you can go to saginhealthcenter.ca, or you can go info@saginhealthcenter.com. With that, have a safe weekend, Jimmy Welch, and we'll keep you posted on